What you got there?
I acquired.
Do you even know how to use that thing?
I do not.
So what do you suppose we do?
We make espresso.
Does it even work?
I don't know. We gotta find out.
And where do we go?
I don't know. We gotta find out.
Okay. We better look into this. Does it have all the parts?
I think so. Probably need this.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe we can find a place that can fix it, clean it up, and show us how to use it.
That would be fantastic.
All right.
Troubles with your Pavoni?
I also, when I dropped off, I was told that you should show me how to use it.
Sure.
I'll give you a little
I'll
demo.
do my best. I like to put the water in about a finger from the top, so that just so I can see. It's pretty finely ground, and then I bring it up loose to the top, and then tamp it down. They say 30 pounds of pressure, but I don't know what that means.
So 7 to 10 minutes to heat up.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then this light will go off pretty soon. And this is a back pressure relief valve.
Okay.
So this valve will, like here you can kind of equalizing right now. The pressure's building, and this is a condensation belt. So it's got a little spring in there. So if it for some reason overheated or the element got fused, it would blow out here rather than
Oh, that's
creating
cool. Oh,
it's
there's
not
the
a bomb
steam.
that way. So there's going to be a little bit of steam exuded there at the beginning, and then it seals off. It can go like a pressure cooker. For the first shot, I would definitely put this on without any coffee in it. You're going to lift this up, let some water come out. It heats up this head and heats up the handle, which is a big piece of cold steel or metal.
Yep.
So now, when I put the basket in, here, this basket's going to be a little cooler, but the coffee is room temperature. Lift it all the way up. There's no need to slow down in the middle. It comes out one side or the other, mostly because of gravity. I think in a second you'll see it coming out that side. But, so now we're at 10. We've thoroughly wet the grounds. Now we begin the push down. And we're going to pull the water, or push the water through the coffee at a fairly high rate. And you'll see it's going to settle out. That's 2 ounces, pretty much. And that light brown foam on top is the crema. And what this is a 3-ounce cylinder. You want to lift it up and let 1 ounce be absorbed into the coffee. That releases the flavor. That melts the coffee oils. And that's what that crema is. And that's what the delicious aspect is. That's the goal, though. Not the golden fleece, but the grail. That's what it is.
Right, right.
And so that now you've closed the valve, no more water will be here, so you have a 3-ounce cylinder, 1 ounce is easily absorbed into the coffee, and then you get 2 ounces. That's one of the beauties of this machine also. But you can see how that's a gorgeous shot of espresso, I think. Handle remover, it might have a little more pressure.
I like
So
that
you
sound.
just break that seal, and then you go.
Makes sense.
And then
And then
once
you do
more,
the shower.
do the shower.
We're gonna go home, and do you think you can do this?
Yeah, piece of cake.
All right, let's give it a shot. That's not right.
What do you mean?
Epic fail. Step 9 wasn't terrible. So I think we're definitely going to invest in a better grinder and just keep practicing. The guy at the store did say that it might take us 90 days. It will only take us a few more times. We're gonna get this. All right, well, thanks for watching and good luck if you're about to attempt the same. See you later, bye. Grinders, which one do we get? Which one do you think we should get?
The Cuisinart.
Cuisinart? This should be good enough.